Hi, in this video I will show you how to reset iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaner with iRobot app installed on your smartphone. You need to have iRobot app installed on your smartphone and open it. It can be downloaded for free from Google Play Store or App Store for iPhones, and you will see the main screen like that. Then you need to go to the product settings and tap on the remove factory reset. Tap on the factory reset once more, and your Roomba vacuum has been factory reset through mobile app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.